Here we have an Ammco disc and drum brake lathe. We got it hooked up to 120 volts, and we're gonna run it here and show you that it works. First, we're gonna show you the manual feed in both directions. Okay, and then this is the other feed here. That'll be in the neutral. Okay, go ahead and show you. Okay, so this has an auto feed, and all you gotta do is hit this, and then this will start auto feeding, and then you can turn it up if you want. You can go faster, or you can go slower. Turn it up a little bit. So that one right now is traveling this way. Okay, and then the next travel we'll show you is going to be this one here. Here. That'll travel, and that'll go in this direction, going out. That thing does have two speeds. That's the fast speed, and then it has the slow speed, which will go a little bit slower. And that's the slow speed, and then I'll turn it up a little bit. That will go to the high speed. Then you got also the cutter bits right here, so they adjust, so you can adjust them out. Back. Okay, and then you can lock them in wherever you want to. Okay, that is the Ammco disc and drum brake lathe.